she wasn't gonna hang out with that kid anymore.
No, you said that. She's 17, not 7.
That's not what I meant. Look, I said the wrong thing. I'm sorry.
Look, it's cold out here. I'm gonna go see how she's doing. Wait, I made you a sandwich.
You made me a sandwich?
Yeah, you know, I figured